Hi, my name is Sarah Mel, and I am finishing up my Library Media Specialist endorsement. This is my third to last class, so I'll do my practicum in the spring of 2020. I currently live in Salina, Kansas. This is going to be my 9th year of teaching. I taught 3 years of 5th grade at a Title I school and then stayed at that school and moved to 4th grade for 3 years. Then I moved to a different elementary school in the same district, and I'm now teaching ESL. So this will be my 3rd year, and I do all grades but kindergarten and ESL. I look forward to teaching library, and I'm hoping to move into that at the school I'm at now. I have 2 kids. They are both out of the house now. One is in Overland Park, going to school at Johnson County Community College, and the other is in Manhattan and currently just working. That's really all I have about me. I look forward to learning more in this class and hope I get to know each of you better. Thanks.